Hey creators! Today we will see how to create a thumbnail for documentaries and global affairs, which will instantly grab attention. We will create this professional thumbnail in just few steps using Canva. Let's dive in. For this, first go to ChatGPT and write a descriptive prompt to generate a high-quality image of a famous personality. Here in video description, I have shared the exact prompt used to create this image. You can paste this prompt in ChatGPT to generate images like these. Once you're satisfied, download the image. Now head over to Canva. Here in Create New, choose YouTube Thumbnail Dimensions. Change the background color to black. Now in the Elements tab, search for images related to crude oil mining. Select the suitable images. Arrange this image as a background image. Bring the other image on top by using the Position tab. Then remove its background and arrange it like this. Now select the background image and go to Edits. Here select Adjust and increase its brightness. Also increase white slightly. Similarly, select the top image and go to Edits. Here increase its brightness and other settings so that it pops out. Now we will add the main image that was generated using ChatGPT. Arrange it in the middle to cover 1/3 of the portion of our design. Hereafter, remove its background. Now go to Edits and select Magic Expand. Here choose Freeform and select the area to which we want to expand. Here we want to add shoulders so that our image looks complete. In the generated image, choose a suitable one. Else generate again until we get the desired result. Then remove its background. Now go to Edit and then Adjust. Here choose Auto Adjust to get a more polished image. Then increase its brightness slightly. Once it's done, in Edits go to Shadow. Here select Glow. Change the glow color to red. Adjust its size and intensity. Go to Elements tab and search for fire. Remove its background and duplicate it. We will group them as one and then reduce its transparency slightly so that it doesn't overpower the main image. Now arrange it like this behind the main image. After this, add the main text for our thumbnail. Here, make sure to limit the text to 2 to 3 words only, so that it is easy to read and instantly grabs attention. For this text, we are selecting some rough bold. Increase its size and arrange it behind the main image. Here, as our topic is about global disputes and conflicts, so we will use more of fire and warlike elements. For this, search for red glow. Arrange it behind the main image like this. Now search for transparent red shadow. Arrange it near the face and shoulder to create an effect as the background red light is falling over it. Make sure to keep it only on the one side of the face. Now duplicate the shadow effect and go to Duotone. Here choose Custom and change all colors to white. Now arrange it over the forehead and other central areas of the face. This will create a contrast effect on the face. In the final step, in the Elements tab, search for Transparent Gradient. Arrange it behind the main text. This will help the text pop out of the background. Like this, we have our final thumbnail design ready. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and comment your thoughts below. Thank you for watching.